Okay, if you watch the first video about functions, this is going to be very easy for you because the questions are actually similar to the questions here. So let's do it again. Pause the video again, read problem, and try to solve the problem, okay? But I'll go ahead, if you don't want to pause it, I'll go ahead and help you with this one. First, we have this function, okay? So here, for the function of x, 7x minus 2, what do you think will be added to, if this is being replaced by a number, what do you think, replaced by the function of x plus k, what do you think will be the number to be added to this function in such a way that we get the new function of g, which is 7x plus 4. Okay, so what number should we add to negative 2 so we can get plus 4? Think about that. Okay? Now, if you don't know how to do that, use your calculator, type in y equals, type in 7x minus 2, graph that. Okay? And then type in y2, and then 7x plus y equals again, then 7x plus 4, and then count how many times the graph went up. And I believe it's going to go up by 6 times. Because negative 4 plus 6, negative 2 plus 6 is going to give you positive 4. That's why you needed to add 6 so you can get 7x plus 4 as the second function. And the second function is going to be, the new function is going to be the function of g. Now, same thing here. Here we got 8x. So the function of, if you use a calculator, you just have to press y equals and then x, 8x. And then graph it. But if you want to move 8x down by 5, all you have to do is to just subtract it by 5. So by pressing 8x minus 5, you will really see in your graph, in your calculator, that the graph 8x is really going down 5 units below that original 8x. So now you have the final answer, 8x minus 5. So the answer is going to be B. Next. Here, use your calculator again. Type in 7 to the x. Now, using your calculator, if you press the second one, go to y equals again and then go to y2, you're going to see 7 up and then x raised to x plus 4. You will know that the graph will be shifted 4 units to the left. If you want to verify that, use your calculator. Your graph will be shifted 4 units to the left. Again, if you want to pause it to have a better understanding, go ahead. Now, here, one of the easy questions is just find the y-intercept, which is just the number alone, and the answer is 8. And again, if you graph this, you're going to have a line like that. That means your domain will always be all real numbers. I talked to you about it, that this symbol, that means the domain, the graph will go all the way to the right, all the positive numbers of x-axis, and then the 0, including the 0, and then all the negative values of the x-axis. Now again, pause the video if you want to have a better understanding with this one. So here, using your calculator, you're going to press 5 up, x minus 5. But if you want to replace this by adding by 4, you're going to have 5 to the x negative. I think we answered this before. I think we answered that before. So if your original y-intercept is negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. Okay? And then your new y-intercept is negative 4. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4. The distance between negative 5 and negative 1 is actually 4. Therefore, the answer is the y-intercept of this is 4 units below 1, 2, 3, 4. That one, the function of you. And that's it. That's the second quiz. Quick, huh? Oh, okay. We'll have another one. I think I told you that all you have to do is, since we're talking about 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then we can just go ahead and get the rate of change. Rate of change is just subtracting. Subtract this by that, subtract this by that, and then write the answer here. Subtract this by that, this by that, this by that. And then after you get all the answers there, you can go ahead and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them and then divide it by 5. Because of the word average, you're looking, you're finding the average of the rate of change of these numbers divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would be the answer for this problem, which is the average rate of change. Okay, that's about it.